Okay, so are you a mama dealing with painful, rock-hard, clogged milk ducts? My name is Kelly. I am a physical therapist specializing in lymphatic health, as well as a mom who understands the struggles and the demands of breastfeeding and pumping. So here's how to correctly do lymphatic drainage to help relieve the clogged duct and to decrease that pain and swelling. So who here remembers the old advice for clogged ducts? I know I have. Things like kneading your breast aggressively to work out the clog, maybe using a toothbrush or vibration to break it up, or even applying consistent heat and then feeding, pumping constantly until it's gone. Does that sound familiar? This advice is not only outdated, it's actually making things worse by increasing inflammation. And according to the Academy of Breastfeeding Medicine, which has been updated recently, here's what actually works. Things like cold compress to reduce the inflammation, gentle lymphatic massage, which we're going to do in a little bit to encourage drainage, and maybe anti-inflammatories if prescribed safely, as well as rest. The swelling and the pain is a lot of inflammation, and by aggressively working on this area and repeatedly pumping and feeding, we're adding more inflammation and we're speeding up further milk production, which can make all of the symptoms worse. Trust me, I learned this the hard way with my first baby. So let's take a step back, use some TLC to help move that inflammation, and be patient with the process. Know that you're a great mom and you're doing amazing. Now, it's best to do this routine directly on the skin if you're able, and this is something that can be done 1 to 3 times daily as a routine as long as there are no infection signs. So grab a comfortable seat or lie down and let's get started. First, take a few deep breaths to activate your deeper lymphatic system. Hand on your abdomen, gentle pressure inward. Take a big breath in through your nose, briefly hold, and then slowly release through your mouth. This gets your lymphatic pumps working. 3 more times or so, really focusing on that slow exhale. Now, we're going to open the drainage pathways. This seems like it can be a waste of time, but if these areas aren't draining well, you're going to remain backed up with fluid. So gently massage light circles at your collarbone area and also in your armpit. These are where all your breast lymphatics drain to, where the major lymph nodes are. We want to massage at least 8 to 10 circles in each area, using your full hand, but keeping it nice and gentle. Now, here's the key for clogged milk ducts. We're reducing the inflammation that's causing the ductal narrowing. We're not trying to force milk through a swollen duct. So move on to gentle strokes or sweeping motions from the inner breast to the outer breast and towards your armpit where those lymph nodes are. We're here encouraging that lymphatic drainage, moving the fluid out of that breast. So try doing at least 5 to 10 strokes in each area. And over the area where the clog is, you could also add soft circles, but never aggressively. Make sure your pressure is very light because deep pressure can add more inflammation and your lymphatic vessels are right under the skin. So this process should only take a few minutes and then let it be and give it rest, trying again at the next feeding in a couple of hours. Now, full transparency here, this isn't a 1-session miracle. Just like in my own experience, it might take several sessions over a course of a day or even a couple days before you see that stubborn milk move. It's also not uncommon for the soreness to be there after a large clog has been released, as the ducts are still inflamed and need some time to calm down. So I like to continue this routine for another 24, maybe 48 hours to help speed up this healing process. You're working with your body's natural healing process, and that just takes time. Make sure to only pump and feed as necessary on your schedule. Important safety note, if you develop fever, red streaking, or feel flu-like symptoms, stop immediately and call your healthcare provider. this could be mastitis, which needs medical attention and not massage. Now that's it for today's lymphatic drainage routine. I hope you feel more relaxed and supported, and don't forget to check out my other lymphatic drainage videos on my channel and subscribe for new routines. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.